Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today we've got races. Let's see who we've got today. We've got Horsepower versus Buns of Steel. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Whoa, it looks like Buns of Steel might have been the winner today. Sorry Horsepower, you go to the loser's bin. Come on, Buns of Steel, let's go up here and mark you in the winner's area. Next up we've got Motosaurus versus Sparkle Smash. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Sparkle Smash took a tumble and Motosaurus went off the track. Motosaurus is the winner. Sorry Sparkle Smash, you go to the loser's bin. There's Motosaurus in the winner's bin, or the winner's area. Next up, we've got Max D versus Storm Damage. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Whoa, check that out. It looks like Storm Damage is the winner. Max D fell over and crashed. Let's go up here, Storm Damage. Alright, next up we've got Swine and Dash versus Stone Crusher. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Whoa, looks like Stone Crusher took an early lead. But ultimately, Stone Crusher was the winner and Swine and Dash crashed. Put you up here, Stone Crusher. Next up, we've got Triceratops. Oh no! Triceratops tried to cheat. Triceratops versus Hamburger Delivery. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Wow, look how far those guys went. It looks like Burger Delivery will be the winner on this one. Cheaters never win, Triceratops. Put you in the winner's circle. Up next, we've got Bone Shaker versus Mohawk Warrior. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Wow, look at those guys go. Sorry, Bone Shaker, it wasn't your day. Mohawk Warrior was the winner, even though he went down backwards. Next up, we've got Battle Cat versus Podium Crasher. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Whoa, check that out. Looks like Podium Crasher's the winner today. Sorry, Battle Cat. Better luck next time. Next up, we've got Zombie versus Bowser. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Check it out, looks like Bowser's the winner. Sorry, Zombie. Today's not your day. Look at all these winners over here. Next up, we've got Pure Muscle versus Roger Dodger. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Uh-oh, Roger Dodger crashed. You see that? Roger Dodger crashed on the course, so it's Pure Muscle's the winner. There you go, Pure Muscle. Get off the course, Roger Dodger, and into the loser's bin. Our final race. Godzilla versus Lumberjack. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Whoa, that was a pretty intense race. But I think Godzilla's gonna be the winner and Lumberjack's the loser. So here's all the winners today. Godzilla, Burger Delivery, Bowser, Pure Muscle, Storm Damage, Podium Crasher, Mohawk Warrior, Motosaurus, and Buns of Steel. That's a lot of winners. We'll see you next time, friends.